Kublai Pibaro, Kinigilom ki Kubor, Bamtakasni. Kilai Tylli ki Autonomous District Council ADC Kajilla, Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council ki HADC, Jayanti Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC, Barkagaro Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Kilayeng Pyrshah ya ke Sorkar India, Bandung Pediang ya ke Uniform Civil Code, Hakini Kilai Tylli ki District Council, Penslow Kilai Ngut ki Chief Executive Member, Shakilat Pathai Khubor, Hadin ke Jinyalang Balalum da ke HADC. Ke Sorkar NDE, ke Don Jingtmu ban Pentrai Kam ya ke Uniform Civil Code, UCC Hajila Meghalaya, Kumta Kilai Kilayeng Pyrshah ya ke Uniform Civil Code Lingba Karai, Kabalami na ke Jinyalang Jungkini Kilai Tylli ki Autonomous District Council ADC, Balong Hanong Ba Shillong. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor, Chief Executive Member CEM, ka KHADC ba Penyat Sings Im, ula pentip ba Kilai Tylli ki Autonomous District Council Kilarai ban pa ya ka resolution, haga khatsau turik menta ubanai siya ka National Law Commission, bad siya ka Sorkar India. Kaba penpau babaro Lai Tylli ki Autonomous District Council ka Jilla Meghalaya ki Pyrshah jor ya ka Uniform Civil Code. Uba penyat uyathu bahadu menta ki District Council ka Jilla kimpat yo satya ya ka nugu jingtho na ka National Law Commission bayadai bar ka Uniform Civil Code.
Beriu jongi lani jong ki District Council jongi bala prevent ni hapo ka ki kendan jong ka sechide. Tengi don ki kendan ku tai. La da ngimpun iya ka ni tengi tai mo kala ban dia ayur ayu. Tajak bengi la ni kumba yang meneh dah jenis tu lang borok lain ni seperti ni san agak juga jenis san lang angin pak lang kum kata kata jadi ni muncul lang wala dah ni pak lang kejong dari resolution ada ni dah sebelum kam bandan kowe ka gara resolution dah kabangin ya saya dah
na baru lagi di council. But yang kata ingin pendap minta kesini, but rasyai kesini kalai terik ini unaitu ingin yo ban pak not ikan ega resolution jumi bangi Pyrshah ban Menteri Kam ke UCC apa Meghalaya ingin pak not rasyai kesini Syaka National Law Commission. Nomor ba kas tarik bakibu kadai khatsau tengi kwa hishwai ke khatsau tarik ingin yo pendap nak ikan ni.
Yeah, thank you so much, all the media houses. I welcome you and thank you for giving us this chance and opportunity to show our a strong opposing this bill which is going to be passed. So we strongly, the reason why we are here today is because it was the initiative taken, and I strongly thank and the initiative taken by the CEM and other members of the Khasis Autonomous District Council. Like you said that yes, we had a couple of series of meeting with all stakeholders of the society in Garhwal's Autonomous District Council. We had meetings with NOCMAs, we had meetings with all the NGOs, and we had also had a meeting with all the stakeholders, senior citizens likewise. Yes, of course, we have taken a resolution, would be taken as in it has been taken, but then it has not been drafted yet, so it is in the process of getting drafted. Hopefully by evening it should be in our hands so that we can have a joint resolution, like our CM from KHADC had said that we will draft a resolution jointly so that it is in the process. So it will most probably by before 14, then we would be able to like give a resolution before 14 to the Law Commission, National Law Commission. So it will be in that process we will move forward. And I strongly oppose on behalf of the GHADC, the central government which is trying to implement this UCC, we strongly oppose. And today why we are here today is that we could have given a resolution all by ourselves as well as all the three ADCs, but we thought in a different way that I think if we stand together, our case would be much stronger and people will hear our voice. That's it.